Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I just come across this article. Couldn't resist doing a video about it. It's not the stock that I was thinking of, but after I read it, it totally makes sense, especially with everything going on today. But this is, if I could buy one stock right now, this would be it. I've been talking about Amazon and Google quite a bit in regards to their split, and I've always liked Apple. I got about a 200% return on that one. If there's three stocks that I could buy, it would probably be Amazon, Google, and Apple, and maybe Tesla would be in there at some point, but those are not on this article, but just throwing my opinion out there. But if you have a favorite stock, one that you would buy, you can let us know what it would be in the comments. Beauty of the stock market, which is the best tool people have to generate wealth, is that investors have the opportunity to buy shares in thousands of companies at any time. A tiny fraction of businesses are certainly better than others, and these provide the possibility for market crushing returns over time. Focusing on these select few stocks is a winning strategy. So there's always stocks you want to focus on. Some are winners and some are losers. So I've pointed out some of the losers that I have. I'm not afraid to share those, so I'm just stating my opinion. So sometimes you don't always pick the best return. So, but this one is they've identified one specific company that deserves your attention. If I could buy one stock, here's what it would be, and it's Coinbase. So I would probably never guess that. Maybe if you'd have gave me some hints, I would have guessed it. But Coinbase is building the crypto economy, which is exciting and kind of scary all in the same. Many investors know of Coinbase as a popular crypto brokerage and exchange. The company first started with the goal of making it easy to buy and sell Bitcoin. However, its reliance on the world's most valuable cryptocurrency has diminished in recent quarters. Q4 of 2021, Bitcoin accounted for just 16% of total trading volume. So, very interesting. Coinbase now offers an incredible 139 assets for trading and 172 for custody, showcasing its diverse token offerings for both retail and institutional customers. Company still depends heavily on trading. In 2021, 92% of the revenue came from transaction fees, factor that most likely contributes to a stock cheap price to earn ratios, or PE ratio of 13. Management team is fully aware that a business whose financial success is dependent on volatile, unpredictable quarter-to-quarter trading volume probably won't please investors over the long term, and that's why Coinbase is really focusing on growing its subscription and services offerings. The segment, which trades revenue primarily from blockchain, which I've talked about numerous times around the channel, rewards and customer or custodial fees represented 8.6% of the overall business in Q4 of 2021, up 4.2% in the year prior period. So Coinbase Cloud is a tool for developers to build blockchain projects on Coinbase infrastructure, and the soon-to-be released Coinbase NFT. I've also talked about NFTs here on the channel, or the non-fungible tokens, which will provide a boost to subscription and services sales going forward. As the crypto economy transactions from the investment phase to the utility phase, Coinbase will be at the forefront of the shift. It's already insanely profitable right now, and remarkable characteristics given it's still in its hypergrowth mode. In 2022, the business generated $3.6 billion in the net income on $7.4 billion in net revenue. Outstanding profit margin of nearly 50%. So, might have to look into purchasing some Coinbase. Just stating my opinion, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just stating an opinion here. Coinbase stock has a massive upside. As of December 31st, the total amount of assets on Coinbase platform was $278 billion, which represent 11.5% of the global cryptocurrency market at year end. Company's market share has steadily crept up in recent years, so it's not hard to comprehend that as a digital asset continue growing in value over the next decade, Coinbase should benefit tremendously. First talent moving to the crypto space, executives from Alphabet, which I've talked about numerous times here as of lately and a couple times today in regards to Google splitting. Apple's always got something going on. That's one of my favorite stocks as well. And Meta Platforms are leaving top jobs to join crypto firms. Coinbase has tripled its headcount in 2021 and now has 3,730 full-time employees. Second, thanks to popularity of Ethereum's programmable blockchain, use cases best just speculation and increasing decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens are two primary examples today. So, which I've talked about, crypto, NFTs, Ethereum, crypto here on the channel, Coinbase maybe once or twice, but gonna have to after reading this article, going to have to start watching it closer, I guess. So, while the regulatory framework is still largely uncertain throughout the world, it's becoming clear that the U.S. has no intentions to ban cryptocurrencies. Goal is to create an environment that fosters innovation, but also keeps consumers safe. For what it's worth, Coinbase has always operated with a regulator-first approach, which could prove to be major competitive advantage as newer rivals emerge. So the entire cryptocurrency market grows. Coinbase will as well, and I don't see this going away, so Coinbase is definitely going to benefit from that, and this results in massive upside for shareholders today if you can accept the uncertainty and oftentimes gut-wrenching volatility that comes with digital assets, Coinbase in particular, and you adopt a long-term horizon, at least 5 years, then I think the marks for a smart investment today. So, but if you have Coinbase or any crypto or Bitcoin or NFTs, you can list that in the comments, especially if you have Bitcoin or Coinbase, I'm sorry. And that way it would be interesting to see what the cost base is. And for those of you that are watching, wondering what the price of Coinbase is, it's currently at $154.56. As you can see, it's down 38% in the past year. Just started going down in November. It's down about $200. So this was first listed on April 14th of 2021, so not even a year ago, and had a nice run up there to a 320. Looks like it. I remember when this one went and it was at 250. I'm definitely glad I didn't buy it then, because as you can see, it's down now. So, but it went from 250 to 333 there just in a couple days, and then went down to 224. So actually below what the IPO was. Went below there, had a nice run up in November to 350. So this one is just kind of all over the place, kind of volatile. Took a dip there to 170, currently at 154. Down over the last 3 months, about 37%. In the last month, down over 25%. In the last week, it's down, and here today it's down. So, if you don't know much about Coinbase, operates as a secured hosted Bitcoin wallet to purchase and use Bitcoin. Founded in 2012, volume of 2.45 million, average volume of 5.02 million, a market cap of 33.84 billion. 52-week low of 152.85 and a high of 429.54. So this one, like I said, is all over the place. 72% buy. And next earnings is expected on May 12th. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you could buy one stock, go ahead and list that in the comments, and list what you would buy and why. That would be interesting as well. And maybe I'll do some videos on some of those answers and see what we can come up with, see which is actually the best one. But that is it for this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.